Just download Viber and ready to start connecting. Learn how to easily set up your account, verify your phone number, and begin messaging and calling friends and family. Once you've finished installing the app, you want to open it up. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi connection while doing this. The first page to load in will be a welcome page to Viber. Tap on Start Now. You will next have to put in your phone number. Select your country or type in your country's extension code and type down your number. Tap on Continue once you're done. Next, Viber will ask you for permission to access your contacts and call logs. Tap on Continue and proceed to allow permission. You'll then have to verify your phone number through an OTP code. Usually, if you wait for a couple of seconds, this will happen on its own. Now, you'll have to write down your personal details like your name, date of birth, and email. Tap on the tick mark once you're done. Then, as a final step, Viber will ask you for permission to use your camera along with location, microphone, and a couple of other settings. It's up to you if you want to grant access, but it's mostly safe if you do. Anyways, that's it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to go on and hit the like and subscribe buttons. That's a small action from you that helps make a big difference for us. And as always, feel free to comment your experience down below. See you soon! Bye bye!